Why installers swear by FastCat 14 over 4 speaker cable, not your usual wire. Ever feel like your projects stall because of unreliable wire that tangles, breaks, or just kills sound quality? It's exhausting when hours are lost troubleshooting buzzes, hums, or dropouts, and your big install day turns into frustration. Motivation slips, confidence dips, and suddenly the job you were excited about feels like wrestling a stubborn, untrustworthy tool. The pain gets worse when you realize poor cable choices mean repulls, failed inspections, or underwhelming audio that disappoints clients. Stress piles up as budgets shrink and timelines stretch. Burnout creeps in fast when each bend, kink, or failed signal run reminds you that shortcuts and materials always come back to haunt you. Wasted effort hurts most when reputation's on the line. That's where FastCat 14 over 4 MidFlex oxygen-free copper speaker cable changes the game. Built with 100% pure bare copper, never cheap CCA, you get 68% higher conductivity, rock-solid signal strength, and pure sound fidelity even on long runs. The UL-listed label, with authentic holographic tag, means you pass code with confidence. With CL3R, CMR, and FT4 ratings, this cable is fire-safe and inspection-ready for in-wall and riser installs. MidFlex stranding gives you durability and flexibility, rugged enough to pull through studs and conduits, yet pliable for quick bends and terminations. The 4-conductor design lets you power a stereo pair or biamp from one run, saving hours of labor and material. One installer shared how this cable saved the day when a whole home audio project needed 300+ foot runs. The pull box kept feeds smooth, the copper stayed clean, and every speaker came alive on first power-up. Packed in a 500-foot Pro pull box, it reduces splicing, waste, and headaches. FastCat makes installs faster, cleaner, and frustration-free. The real magic of FastCat 14 over 4 isn't just specs, it's peace of mind. Imagine streamlined installs where cable glides through walls, bends without breaking, and every speaker zone sings crystal clear. Analysts call it a pro-grade installer cable that guarantees performance and passes code without compromise. Influencers rave. This pulls clean, sounds pristine, and saves me rewires. Installers praise its reliability. My go-to for 90% of jobs. The pure copper ensures no signal loss, even on 100+ foot runs. Customers echo the same story. I wired my entire house with this. Zero hum, no interference, and every speaker just works. Another user said, the 4-conductor design cut my wiring time in half. One run, 2 speakers, done. Isn't that the kind of efficiency every installer dreams of? Add the rugged PVC jacket, tough enough for construction sites, but flexible enough for attic crawls. And you've got a cable that doesn't just meet standards, it exceeds expectations. While others gamble with CCA or questionable UL claims, FastCat backs every box with authentic certification. Why risk rework, failed inspections, or weak sound when you can wire once and be confident forever? This is how pros stay ahead, and why so many refuse to use anything else. Don't wait until cheap cable costs you time, money, and trust. Thousands of installers and DIY audiophiles already rely on FastCat to deliver pro results. Supplies are limited, and every project delay without it is another headache waiting to happen. Secure your box today, lock in code-compliant safety, and enjoy flawless audio performance. Join the pros who've upgraded their installs, simplified their workflow, and boosted their results. Act now, cut the noise, literally, and let FastCat transform the way you wire.